Hello everyone, it's Evelyn here and welcome back to my channel. And so today we're going to be talking about my Louis Vuitton Zippy coin purse wallet. Introducing, this is my Louis Vuitton Zippy coin purse wallet in a special edition print. This is the transatlantic cruise print that was released in 2016 around November. So Louis Vuitton has the practice of releasing special editions and special prints every year. The reason why these prints are very unique and one-time release only is because once they sell out, they don't produce it anymore. So if you're interested in getting SLGs from Louis Vuitton, I highly recommend you checking out their print designs that's released around November every year because some of them are really cute. The reason why I got this design was because in that particular year, I actually took a cruise with my whole family to visit Alaska, and it was sort of my way to remember that amazing trip that we took. And since Louis Vuitton had launched this, I jumped on it and decided to get this print and this wallet to try it out. So this wallet now retails for around $480. It's offered in the monogram canvas, the damier azur and ebene, epi leather, crocodile, vernis, and empreinte, which is the one that's sort of the leather that's embossed. Of course, all these wallets will come in very different pricing, so you need to go online and just double check on the price. So let's talk a little bit about this wallet now. If you're considering getting this, I highly recommend it. So far, my experience with them has been very positive. They're very durable, they're very well designed, very cute, and the customer service is spot on. I once had an issue with one of the wallets I had from Louis Vuitton, and I returned it and they gave me a brand new one or a credit for me to exchange for something else. So in that regard, their customer service is quite good. So this wallet is basically a monogram coated canvas with the print. I know that this print can wear off. I've had friends who've had this kind of wallet for many years, and ultimately the printing did start to wear off, and I think that might be because of the use of hand sanitizers or some cleaning wipes that may have disinfectants on it, such as bleach or alcohol, and that can definitely strip away the color of the print, so that's something to keep in mind. So this has a zipper that goes around the wallet like so. It's a beautiful colored lining, so I like the fact that it has this contrast of nice pop of orange, and the compartments are very well designed, easy to access. So the leather here is actually grain cowhide. It has two large gusseted compartments, so this is one and the other one. And then it comes with a business card slot right in the middle here. So it's sort of the divider of the two compartments with this one. And then there are two credit card slots on each side. So there's one and another one here. And also there's another compartment in the back of both sides. Okay, just to show you what's in my wallet right now, maybe I can just open it up and show you what I have inside. So in one of the compartments I have all my bills, and I just fold them up so you can see that it's not super convenient if you want to store a lot of bills. I have my credit cards in here, so there are two slots here, and then I also have my scanning transportation card, which we call an octopus, right in this internal slot. So there's one slot here, one credit card slot here, another one here, and then this big compartment where you can put a lot of bills or receipts. And then on the other side, exactly the same, I have some of my loyalty cards, and some prayer cards I have here. And then again, I have two credit card slots right here, and then another card where you can put another slot here where you can probably double up and put 2 or 3 cards in this area. And then in the middle right here is what they call the business card slot, and I just have my identification card in right here. So inside you can see it has the Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France signage right here. I don't know if it's visible. And so yes, that's basically how I normally use it. And then it zips up like this. So you can see it's just one continuous piece of canvas that they use. So make sure whenever you get a new piece of Louis Vuitton is to make sure that everything is very symmetrical. So, you know, these are symmetrical. This is lined up in the middle. The spine of the wallet will have the print perfectly aligned and so forth. So a little bit on how to take care of your wallet. Definitely don't let it scratch against anything that's abrasive, such as a hairbrush or keys. If you have it in your purse, just make sure you don't have anything that could be scratching the surface of your canvas. And I find that with these wallets, that is more prone to damage is actually around the zipper area because it's made of this fabric. And through time, if there's a lot of wear on the corners, it could start to fray. Keep it away from moisture, of course, and direct sunlight, also sources of heat. So if you have your bag close to a radiator or perhaps close to a humidifier, those items can definitely deteriorate the integrity of the material that's used here. And then of course, you know, just common sense, avoid contact with food, makeup, perfume, hairspray, hand sanitizer, Clorox, bleach wipes, and also even magazines and other leather goods or just, you know, clothing that may color transfer can definitely affect the canvas. The good thing about this print is it's quite dark in color, so I haven't really had any issues with color transfer, but I do see that if you have this color print, especially on the areas that are lighter in color, color transfer can happen on these areas. So just be mindful of that when you have something with a print. So in general, what I like about it, okay, it's a great size. It's big enough to carry all my essentials. And in general, I definitely use plastic and credit cards much more than cash. So if you're not the type of person who likes to deal with a lot of bills or coins, then this is a great one. It's got enough capacity, yet it's small enough to fit in a lot of my smaller crossbody bags, in a camera bag, or, you know, even in your pocket or in a jacket. It's, you know, it's great for that. It's really durable. You know, I've had this for 2+ years, even though I haven't used it every day, but so far I don't really see any noticeable wear and tear. The only place I do notice a little bit of tarnishing would be the zipper. So if you notice, there are scratches on the zipper, and maybe there's a little bit of discoloration, if you can see around that area here. But aesthetically, it looks really cute. It's very personable. It makes it look really unique because I can see that a lot of the Louis Vuitton monogram or, you know, canvas or leather items could be a little bit more generic looking. So I like the fact that I could, you know, have this customized or make this a little more unique and personal. And another great thing is I can tell that this is the front of my wallet and this is the back. So sometimes I have a special card that I need to scan, and I'll just put it in the back of my wallet right in this area here. So then it's an easy way to scan the card without affecting the integrity of my print. And I'll definitely know for sure that, you know, which side I need to scan my wallet. Definitely enjoy the print. It has a lot of sentimental value. It reminds me the reason why I got this wallet. And so just look out for prints that Louis Vuitton releases every year. As I said, you know, they're only one-time editions. So if it runs out in the store, then the only way to access this will be through the pre-love market, which I love checking out from time to time. Okay, some cons now. While this is a great wallet in terms of size and capacity, it's funny how they call it a zippy coin purse, because I don't really find it very conducive to storing coins. I have dumped some coins in these compartments, but then, you know, it makes me sort of antsy with it sort of scraping against the leather, and it's not really, I would say the clay pouch from Louis Vuitton is better for coins and keys. So I don't really put coins in this wallet. Of course, it's not great for bills. You know, like I said, you know, my bills are all folded up right now. So, you know, if this is an issue for you, then definitely don't go for this wallet. Go for something where, like the Victorine, where you can open up and insert your bills. But definitely very happy with this purchase, and will be keeping this in my collection. So thank you so much for watching again. Please subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos, and also for supporting this channel. So look forward to seeing you next time. In the meantime, I wish you all glamour and style. Bye now.